We are going to be full of lumps, aren't we?
Yeah.
Right, so this is our next destination, everybody. We are climbing up the infamous Devil's Staircase. Now this is, I don't know, 1.2 miles long, I think, not very long. But it's got some nice little switchbacks. The road surface is so much nicer than the Hard Knot Pass. It's very rideable. So I think there is a 25% incline on this side and a 25% decline on the other side, and a couple of hairy switchbacks as well to contend with. So yeah, plenty for us to keep our wits about us with. So I think it gets the name the Devil's Staircase from the two switchbacks, which I guess look like stairs descending into hell. So up here on the top so up here on the top, I think we are at the highest point, at least. Quite an impressive 1184 feet above sea level. And our luck's run out because it looks like it's just starting to rain. Great. Cool. Couple of nice tight turns there. Oh, just see a frog running for its life there. Okay, and here we are. So this is the first switchback. Look at that view down there. That is awesome. So this is 25%. Again, we know the GoPros don't really show how steep it is, but I feel like if I got up off my seat, I'd fall over the front of the handlebars. Then you can see that vista opening up in front of you. That is beautiful. This is mid-city around here, by the way. I reckon we have been eaten alive where we stopped just now. Look at this beautiful little river crossing. I wonder if this floods when the weather's up. That is very cool. That
was alright, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't know how far you wanted to go.
Well,
I remember you said about a bridge.
that was it. This is it. Right, so now we've tackled it one way, it's time to tackle it the other way. We've stopped, we've had a couple of photos on the bridge. We've got a little cattle grid coming up here, so as it's raining, we'll take it very gingerly across that. Nice. Nicely done. This bit of road. First hairpin. Second hairpin, too. That one a bit tight, to be fair. I think I went up the steepest part of it. A bit stupid, but there you go. Oh, he's killing me. Yeah, the other thing that you notice around here is it's the land of Christmas trees. Everywhere you look, there's Christmas trees. Makes me feel all warm and festive. But literally they go on as far as the eye can see, so I guess this is the sort of place where you come in the dead of the night, just before Christmas. No, I'm joking. But this is, I guess, where all the Christmas trees are grown for sale around Christmas time. Who knows? Anyway, it's a great little ride. Another bucket lister. The Devil's Staircase. Again, it's definitely not as tough as the Hard Knot Pass, but it's really enjoyable. It would be a little bit more enjoyable if it wasn't tipping down, but hey hey. There's no such thing, as they say, as bad weather, just bad clothing. So maybe my decision to just throw on a puffer jacket wasn't the cleverest. we go. I guess look at that vista stretching out before you. Bloody marvellous. Oh, the sheep botherer returns. Go on, Benji. Yeah, he loves a sheep. He really does. Look at these two hard bastards down here. They ain't moving. It's like Ronnie and Reggie. Oh, look, they think they can go faster than Benji. Well, they can. He's literally going dog slow. Bless them. Didn't mean to scare you, boys. Well, probably girls, but who knows. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see a few more little tiny trips here and there. We've got some more things planned over the weekend, so come and join us. But for now, ride safe.